Hello, welcome to Phonics for the week of May 11th, 2020. We will review high frequency words today, and next time we will work on prefixes, and following that it will be homophones this week. So let's get started. We're on day 1, and for our mini lesson you will need a piece of paper and a writing utensil when you work on phonics. Remember, this is where I'm going to review high frequency words, so we'll say it, we'll spell it, and then you'll write it. Okay, so we're ready with our high frequency words and you have a writing utensil, so let's get started. Say it. City. Spell it. C-I-T-Y. Write it. Say it. Earth. Spell it. E-A-R-T-H. You might be wondering why this is not capital E for the planet Earth. This is just like earth, like dirt. So that's why it can be a lowercase e. If it was our planet Earth, it would need to be the capital E because that's a proper noun. So this is lowercase E-A-R-T-H, earth. Write it. Say it. Eyes. Spell it. E-Y-E-S. Write it. Say it. Light. Spell it. L-I-G-H-T. Write it. Say it. Thought. Spell it. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Write it. Say it. Head. Spell it. H-E-A-D. Write it. Say it. Under. Spell it. U-N-D-E-R. Write it. Say it. Story. Spell it. S-T-O-R-Y. Write it. Say it. Saw. Spell it. S-A-W. Write it. Say it. Left. Spell it. L-E-F-T. Write it. I hope you have a terrific day. Thanks for doing phonics today.